How are you, my friends? Welcome back to the DELUXE channel. Igor is back. I'm gonna review a car right now with you. I just pulled into the parking lot and I saw this beautiful car. So if you like it, don't forget to put that thumbs up and subscribe for the DELUXE channel. Thank you guys, and let's see what this baby is worth right now. So it's 2019, guys. 2019 Maserati Levante. This car is made in Italy. I'm gonna show you all the details. The xenon lights here. Look at this beautiful grille. Look at this. And look at this emblem. Wow. Got front camera. Look at this. So beautiful. This is gorgeous car. Has a black color. No metallic, no nothing. I'll show you right here, guys. Maserati Levante. You got black rims with red, guys, with red Maserati calipers. You can see that. Very neat, very nice. The tires are Pirelli 265/40 R21, sorry, R21. Big rims. I'm gonna show you like this. Beautiful, right? It is. I'm gonna show you inside right now. Let me walk around with you. Got those all those emblems. Perfect. Very clean car. Maserati Levante, guys. And you know what I found? GTS right there. GTS, that's a sporty one. That's a fast ride. Fast, legit, nice ride. You got 4 pipes coming out right here. 2 on each side. You got a little bit scratches. Bumper got a little bit scratches, but that's fine. This has got a little bit scratches here too. That's fine. Right here, guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
what they have for lights right now. You can see nice, beautiful xenon lights right there. Look at this, beautiful. So this one, guys, came in on a previous video. I showed you the G-Wagon, the black one, and look what I found else right there, guys. G-Wagon 2020. It got 7,000 miles on it. Beautiful car, black on black, V8. It's not G63 like on my previous video, but this one is just G550 right there, guys. G550. Beautiful car. Look at the rear end. Ooh, nice. German tank, guys. German tank. This is nice. This is legit car, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, this is legit car. V8 right there. Look inside. Black on black. They can't find the keys for it. I don't know, maybe some kind of sales guy took it. I wanted to open this too, but that's fine. I'm gonna show you maybe next time. Trying to do, guys, this Mercedes test drive on a highway and Maserati Levante. Well, forgot to turn the lights off. All right, guys, so I think you enjoyed this video. Showed you what's new right now, and I'm gonna find more cool cars, you know, like this. Hot cars, hot rides. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe DELUXE channel. And guys, have a good day. Thank you.